everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith, and today me and Loki are going to show you the latest box from Wizarding Trunk that's just arrived. Exciting postings today, so I'm really happy to receive this. It feels like ages, so let's get in and have a look. Come on, Podron. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up, and I can already see something I'm super excited about, so I'll just pull these out one at a time and we'll check them out together. This box feels really heavy, by the way. Okay, so we'll start with this little box. Oh, wow. Okay, that is super cute. We have a charm to go with the other charms. This one looks like Hogwarts Castle. That is beautiful. I really hope that we do get a bracelet to put all these on. I've got 2 charm bracelets already, but it would be nice to have one specially dedicated to these items that we've been getting, so that's adorable. Next, there's a little pouch. Oh. A little pouch with nothing in it. Wait. I think maybe this fell out of it. Let me get the wrapping off. Okay, God, that's lovely. Okay, we've got Moaning Myrtle in the bathroom with a candlestick. No, seriously, though. I was just checking it didn't open or slide or do anything. It doesn't, but look how lovely is that. What a pretty pin. Delightful. Okay. Next are, what would you say these are? Tea bag tongs? I reckon they go really nicely with the, what did we get last time? They were measuring spoons. Couldn't think of the name of them then. They've got all this beautiful engraving on them. Toadstools and time turners and all sorts. Hellebore maybe. A bottle of poison. A cauldron. Oh, cute. Okay, nice. Okay, next we've got a black box. I've just taken the covering off of it, and check this out. We've got a letter opener. That could do some damage. Look at the skull on it. Wow. Okay, I don't know what creature that is, but that is a very cool item nonetheless. Definitely one that I'll be keeping and putting somewhere. Pop him back in his box. All right. Next we have a regeneration potion, Vial Incantum. Look at that, Incantum even. That is really, really attractive looking box. Used for regenerating dark witches or wizards to a corporeal state. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Okay. All right. We have a green skull with absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh. That is so nice. And this little thing, let me get it out the packet. Regeneration potion. So that will sit around the edge of the wax cap. That is so cool. Okay, I just love it. I love this so much. I don't have many potions left now. I did do a big clear out just simply because of room. So that's a bummer. I need to find another spot. Okay, oh, it's got a blue dot on the bottom, so whatever is in here is a Ravenclaw item. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's a dragon egg. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh, that is just a beautiful thing. Look at that. Wow. Okay, that is adorable. I love that. And I have exactly the right spot for it. Oh my God, their boxes are just amazing, aren't they? And look at this thing. I'll have to zoom out a second. There we go, just so that I can fit it onto the screen. I love this box. This box is beautiful. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Looks like stained glass, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. So we've got a soap dispenser with this really rather wonderful design on it. Look at that. Okay, it really needs to be in light. So a sunny windowsill or something would be perfect for this, right? Hold on. Okay, I've got my flashlight on it from my phone so that you can see a bit better the design. Not much better, frankly. Doesn't want to show, does it? But oh my goodness, that is a lovely thing. And yeah, that will be going in my bathroom. Oh, that's so, so pretty. Wow. Okay. All right, there are two boxes left, but before we get to those, just a quick look at the paper items. We've got a Wizarding Waltz start position. Oh my god, look at that. It's teaching you to do the dance. Okay, that's so cute. That is so pretty. That's such a cool item. Preparation of Gilly Tonic. All right, and then this rather amazing painting. Oh my god, I love that. Their artwork is so good, don't you think? I've got so many of these beautiful pictures now. Need a wall. Oh, again, there's the spoiler sheet. Okay. Okay, we've got these two boxes. This one says rewind, fast forward, relive. The Ocularium. It sounds like something Mr. Burns would say, isn't it? Excellent. Okay, let's have a look. Do kids today watch The Simpsons? I don't know. Okay, so, oh my god, what are you? I can't, I'm gonna have to read the cheat sheet, but whatever they are, it says on it the same thing: rewind, fast forward, relive. Oh wow, what? Okay, there's a little doodad on the side and peepholes so you can look in. Wait a second. Okay, I can confirm you can't see the damn thing in there, so I don't know. I don't know, but fun, right? Oh my god, okay. And then the last box, plain brown. Let's have a look. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Oh my god, look, it's a trident. Really? Oh my goodness. How beautiful is she? I love her. Oh, wait, I think it might be a him. That could be a moustache. No, it's got boobs. It's definitely a she. I think it's just where the paint has worn. It looks aged, you know? Oh my god. Okay, love, 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 love this thing. See it all the way around. Look at the waves. That is stunning. I'm just in love with it, honestly. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I just don't know. I'm really digging the mermaid theme throughout this, though, with the glass doodad as well. That is so cool. Right, let's have a look at the cheat sheet. I want to know about the Ocularium. Let's see. Okay. All right, vintage prop ocular device allows you to pause, fast forward, and rewind during the big match. I see. Okay, cool. The staff letter opener. Oh, so it's a staff. All right, then. That's nice. What do you think? What a nice looking item that is. The regeneration potion bottle by Pure Blood Apothecary. Love that. The mermaid hand dispenser, soap dispenser even. Oh, suggests a white pearlescent soap to make the design colours pop. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, okay, I happen to have some. The Wizarding Waltz pamphlet designed by Wizardry Workshop, the Castle Charm. Okay, what do you think the fifth charm will be? Nice to know there's another one coming. Ooh, task coin. Okay, I left something in the box, sorry. It says you have been chosen. Task 2, right? All of these little doodads I have in a treasure chest, which is next to my Niffler. So that's cool. You have been chosen. All right. Yeah, the Grave Angel watercolor is by Giza Graphics. There it is again. So beautiful. And the mermaid statue designed by Here Be Monsters 28. I just love it so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I think that covers just about everything, but my favourite items are for sure the mermaid statue. She is gorgeous. The dragon egg, also gorgeous. The potion is actually, they're all my favourites. Is there anything I don't like? No, I don't think so. It's all perfection. Is this the best box I've ever had? Yes. Can't wait for the next one. Okay, do let me know what was your favourite item, and I will see you for the next one. Take care, stay safe, everybody.